So this place is going to be covered up. I'm looking both for myself and for maybe some things to sell on Mercari, because I've been having a lot of luck with Mercari. So here we go. Half price t-shirts, women's tops, blouses, Christmas stuff. So, okay. We're here. They don't have a tag on. So I picked up a few sweaters because, you know, 50 cents, you can't beat that. It's been so long since I shopped, I don't know my brands. It's not pathetic. I don't know if that was a good haul or a bad haul, because I didn't really find much for me. I found a few things that I think I'll do well to resell. They had a sale on women's tops, half off, and I couldn't find a single women's top that I thought was worth it. I did find some women's sweaters, and I found a pair of 5'11" tactical pants. I think those will resell nicely. And I wasn't gonna go to Goodwill, but who did I run into in Angel's Attic? My husband. And he said he was going to Goodwill, so I guess we're going to Goodwill. So we'll go check it out. Rolling into the Goodwill, like, what up? Pop some tags. There's definitely less people here, so that's good. Alright, would you look at this hot mess hair? Now, historically, I've not done well at this Goodwill. They just don't seem to have a lot of stuff. Like when I'm shopping for myself, I do better at other Goodwills, but we'll see what happens today. Maybe there won't be 3 million people in here. There's the cards. So it's been a while since I've been in here, and it looks like they're actually sorting things by size now. Very overwhelmed, because like I see things that I like, but you know, I don't want to spend money on them. So yeah, this may be a bust, because Goodwill's kind of high in my opinion. Isn't that terrible? I'm saying that Goodwill is high, but you know what I mean. I'm going with the theory of buy things you like. I think this is beautiful, so we're gonna buy this along with all this. I think that was way better than it used to be. It's more organized. They have nicer stuff. They have better sales, because used to this one didn't do sales of any sort. I walked out of my vehicle. So there's the whole ignore the office chair. Jeremy thought he needed that. So yesterday I went thrift shopping, and today I'm going to show you what I got and what I'm kind of excited about. I'm just going to grab a bag and start going through it. Oh, welcome to my closet / laundry room. So beautiful. All right, so the Goodwill. Found this new with tags Spanx top. Probably, well, I'm going to post it for sale, but if it doesn't sell, it's not going to hurt my feelings. I'll keep it. It is a small. It's called the On Top and In Control. Whoopsh. Yeah, so it's a small. I don't know. I've looked them up online. I think it's got a good buzz. I think it's got a good chance of selling. I found these shorts. These are also new with tags. They are Anna, which is a JCPenney brand. I think they're really colorful and they're really pretty. I'm going to also put these on the sale. Actually, let me just say, I'm going to put everything up for sale unless I tell you otherwise. Orange was the color of the day, so I got these for half off. And if they don't sell, I know somebody who I'll give them to. Y'all, I love this. I love this. I think it is so pretty. And I'm not usually one to like foiled and feathery things. But isn't this pretty? This is a Lane Bryant tank top. Size 22-24. And again, you know, if it doesn't sell, I know a couple people who I can give that to. So I'm really excited about that. I found these cute little shorts. They are J. Crew chinos, size 8. And they were also orange tags, so I got them for half off. It's probably the wrong time of year to try to be selling some chinos, but I have Tupperware Rubbermaid boxes. I can hang on to them. This pair, super cute. Same thing. They're the J. Crew chinos. If they don't sell, oh yeah, they were orange tag. If they don't sell, it's okay. They're my size. I'll keep them. These I am keeping for myself because I just think they're super cute. These are Contemporary Style Signature Studio. I don't know. But I thought these were cute. They're really soft. They'll be nice to wear next summer. And then Jeremy got a couple of shirts. I'm not going to show you those. They're not that exciting. So that's my Goodwill haul. I hate that word, haul. I mean, like, I try really hard to be minimal and to execute the one in and one out rule and to not have a lot of stuff. It actually gives me anxiety to have a lot of stuff. Like, right now, this closet is in complete disarray. And it kind of stresses me out because there's too much stuff in here. So that leads me back to, I hate the word haul. Haul just implies like hoarding, like stuff. But apparently that's the buzzword. People talk about their Dollar Tree haul or their thrift store haul or their yard sale haul. And until I come up with a better word, I guess I'm going to use the word haul, but I don't like it. All right, so our local thrift shop, Angel's Attic, was having a sale. Half off women's blouses. Do you know how many women's blouses I found? Yeah. But it's okay. They had good prices on sweaters. This one, it's so soft. It's a limited. And it's just a really soft gray sweater. But here's what makes it kind of neat. It's got that fun handkerchief hem. So, I think this is really cute. I was pleased with my purchase. Honestly, I don't remember putting this in my cart. This must be one of those where I was like, oh, this is kind of cute. And instead of hanging it back up, I threw it in the cart. But it's RXB brand. It's a medium. And it's just a really cute, like, fitted cardigan. It's got some nice oversized buttons. I mean, it's really cute. And I'm happy I bought it. I just don't remember buying it. I pulled it out of the bag and went, oh, well, where'd that come from? This one I think is really pretty. It's a great basic for your closet. It's Worthington. It's a women's medium petite. It's a really soft cotton. Just a nice basic to add to your collection. It's in really good shape. And again, if it doesn't sell, you know, I'll probably keep it for myself. And then figure out what I'm going to get rid of to keep that one in, one out rule going. This one is an Eddie Bauer size large zip up sweater. It's not really my style, but I know a lot, because it's not really my color, but I know a lot of people would look really pretty in this. So I'm having a hard time showing this. It's like, there we go. So if I hold it like this, you can see it's got that fold over collar that makes it really pretty. This will hopefully photograph better than it's me holding it up. All right, this next one kind of cracks me up because it looks like something I would have worn in middle school. You know, when we were all wearing like Guess jeans and used jeans. I don't know if it's that old, but it's Calvin Klein khakis. It's a logo sweater. It's a size medium. It's 100% wool. And I'm guessing it's a men's, but it was in the women's department. Is that not like the most retro, vintage, throwback to the 90s things you've seen in a while? So it's got the big Calvin Klein logo. It's not in bad shape at all. Kind of like it. Kind of like makes my inner 90s baby happy. So I will be listing that. And again, all this stuff I'll be listing. Okay, these are just a pure, I know the brand. I think it's going to sell well. 511 Tactical is a brand that makes really hard, not hard, but like heavy duty durable clothing. These are Tactical Series women's size 16. So they're just a really nice pair of hard-working cargo pants. Probably part of a uniform, you know, that somebody got rid of. Good quality. 511 also makes CrossFit stuff. They make weight vests and whatnot. So when I saw the brand, I immediately picked up. These are not cheap because, you know, they're good quality. But I will list those. And then lastly, because I had so much good luck selling my personal Tupperware, and I had people asking me if I had more Tupperware, I've decided to keep my eyes open for the Tupperware. Y'all, my grandmother has one of these to this day that she still uses every time I come over. She offers me pickles. It's the vintage Tupperware pickle keeper. So you have your pickles in here, and then when you want to pickle, the juice drains off and you grab your pickle. If I eat pickles more often, I would keep this for myself. But this is a for sale because, you know, people were asking me if I had more Tupperware. So this is my first intentional thrift shop haul for resale. I'm sourcing for you guys. So if there's something you liked, I'll put my Poshmark and Mercari links in the comments. You can go look for it. I may lose my booty, which thankfully I didn't spend very much, so it's okay. You guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.